down here. Sit down here, baby. Daddy's driving now. Sit down now. Yeah.
Mommy,
Hey.
mommy.
Oh, hi. How to lock this door?
You want
There's no lock this
to?
door.
Want to give it fun?
Yes. Give me, please.
Give me.
Oh, this is not a so-car, Shogo. Thank you. Hey, hey, look.
Wow, is it hot? Wow.
Oh, you just
Look at
probably.
that, Mom.
What's that?
That's a train whale.
Oh, you saw it. Where are we going, Eugene?
Why you texting? Why you book? Oh, that's the airport train.
Airport train. Bayutasig man.
Right? We see a big airport train.
Yeah, where are we going?
Going to the airport train, going to the airport. And why did the airplane going to the airport?
Oh, so many. So.
What's that?
Car. Wow, guys. Diyan kami mag-i-stay.
Don't pee.
Oh, no. You can pee here. No, baby, in the water. Hide yourself. You pee in the water, huh? Let's go. Guys, dito na kami. Here we are. Under this ground is a water.
Is that the door?
Yes, that's the door we will stay.
That's the door you will stay.
Guys, this is our hotel. Let's go inside. Oh my god, under the water. But so labo. So, may kanito. Wow, you can take a jacuzzi. So, dito yung toilet. So, this is the room. Ooh.
I needed to come to shit.
What do you want?
You can close the door.
Yeah. Wow, they have that. Okay.
Okay, wow.
Oh, too bad. Shogo, you sleep
I'm
there.
so
But I like it
excited.
there. But that one is more bigger.
What?
Oh, so nice here.
What's up?
Yun, guys. You can go outside. And this is it, the balcony. Wow.
Outside.
Yes. This is our outside, guys.
We are under the water.
Yeah, let's get in.
Is that the airplane?
It's nice, huh? Wait, Eugene can sleep here. But me and Eugene sleep together. Oh!
That's big feet.
Don't be noisy here, baby. Go.
What's hand stuff?
Let's find it. Let's do the fish. It's moving, it's moving, it's moving. The fish eating your bait.
Mommy?
Hmm.
Mommy?
What?
Do you want to watch hamster?
I don't know. Let's find it. Wait, Daddy got fish. Let's sit here. Hey, Eugene. Give me the remote. Don't bring it there. Come in. Come in. Come in. Give me the remote control. You catch a fish? Let me see. Where?
Oh, such a small. But
So small. Yeah, this air pump to keep the fish alive.
Ooh.
That's a fish oxygen. Take this, baby. This one. Oh no! The fish eating my finger. Look at that, beautiful. Look at it, see. No, where is your key?
Where is the key? Wow.
Let's get inside. Take up the sleepers. May pa-jacuzzi sila dito. Yan ang aming. Bawal magluto dito. Pero kompleto naman sila. Shower area, the toilet. So look at the shower area. So, ang liwanag dito kapag gabi. Let's get inside. Take off the slipper shoes.
You have a remote control?
Yes, I have. So, ayun, asawa ko nag-fishing na. Too bad this is the big one, the small one. Because you keep jumping. Don't jump. So, sa cabinets. Kaya, fishing time. So guys, we're late. The sun is already asleep. So that's a small island and so many boats. We're late at a sunset viewing. So this is Alexis Hotel. It's like a Grand Canal in Italy. So let's go back na. So we're staying here only the Lex. There is a Grand Lexis guys, pero doon may swimming pool, mas mahal. Eugene, let's go. Bye. Nandun yung kapitbahay namin na maganda. Let's go back na. Yeah. Dito lang guys may air, so it means mas malaki. Ito ata may swimming pool din to sa taas.
I want this.
Where do you want? Let's go and walk. No, we're at 51. Look. You're afraid to swim. Hey. Hello. Where are? So guys, this is the view at daytime. In daytime. Look at that. It's like the beneath. So that's the car. Our thing. We going back.
Right?
You want to ride? Later.
Next time.
This is our view of the beautiful sea. We're going home. What? Say it.
Like, give me the camera.
Okay, you say. Oh.
Wow, we're on the beach. We go home.
Be careful. Be careful. Not don't it's so close. Not it's so close. Okay, turn off now.
Mom,
Hello. It's
going
mommy.
to the sea.
We're above
under
the sea.
We're above the sea.
Above the sea. Second day, family trouble. We go to Malacca. Wow. This is a public place, huh?
This is a
You sit down properly. I wanna go there. This. It's a river. Oh, it's a river. It's clean.
the water.
What's that inside water?
You want to catch a fish?
Yeah. No catching fish. So many fish. Ah. Hey, wait. What's that bird? What's that kind of bird? Wow, look at that guys. Colorful naman to. Ano to? Bahay. Ah. Yan guys. Kahit saan yung pumunta, may dala-dala yung blanket. Yes. Yan, mag-check-in muna kami. Let's go to our hotel. Nandito na kami sa Malacca. So, parang Chinese town din to. Oh. Yan guys. Ang outfit. Oh,
Mommy.
it's a drum. Look at the ang cute, ang ganda niya. Parang siyang totoo. Look. Yan guys, di naman na kung saan yung hotel namin. Ang layo pa ng parking area. Let's go. Oh my god, this is very narrow. So guys, everywhere is no parking. Everywhere have a payment sa park. Sa parking. Ang layot nang nilakad namin. Hindi pa namin nahahanap yung hotel. Dito kaya po. Go straight. Tapos yung application dito ng parking area hindi pa namin ma-download. Ayaw ma-open. Ewan. Doon lang kami sa ang layo-layo. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa kanina nasa 6 kami, ngayon nasa 8 na. Oh my god, Eugene, be careful there. Stop. Rotan Malacca. Let's go. Baby, come here. Ghost Museum. Ooh. Oily noodles. Ooh. Craft. Wow guys, puro siya inkan. So guys, dyan na kami mag-i-stay. Eto na siya. Ecor Malacca. Let's go. Oh. Like an old place. Yeah. dito. Eugene, don't touch anything. Come here. Just touch.
Mom. I got it now. Ah.
Go karaoke.
That's a boat.
Hey, don't touch, don't touch. Put it back. Slowly. Not like that. Okay.
That's a dog.
Yes, I know.
After 1 hour, how much? We will be charging 1 day. And the bank was RPT, and we can refill the water.
Water dispenser there?
Yes, that is the one.
Guys, dito kami sa riding ng boat. Be careful. You wanna ride in the boat?
You want to be?
Oh, the boat. It's okay.